we are at the Inspired Home Show looking for great brands to sell you guys, and check this out. This is the Iceman mini refrigerator. What I like about it is it has a handle right here, so it's portable, but it also has a mirror, and look at this. You open it up, you can plug this into your car. So this is perfect for a little road trip, but it's also perfect for the dorm room. 2-in-1. It keeps the sodas cool, chilled, or your makeup. That's the new thing now. And you can use it as a mirror as well. And take it with you. I mean, multiple uses for this great small device.